Good day, Sir Leo Arcayos. I am Cadet Emmanuel Maglaos Lasea, Section G2F1. And today I am going to be reporting about the effects of bilging and permeability on the stability of the ship. Bilging and permeability, their impact on ship stability. Bilging, the flooding of a ship's compartment, and permeability, the degree to which a compartment can fill with water, are critical factors after affecting a vessel's stability. Understanding their combined effects is paramount for maritime safety. When a compartment floods, the ship's stability is affected in several ways, including increased draft, a shift in the center of gravity, and a reduction in metrasyntic height. These factors can lead to a least sideways tilt, trim, and difference draft between bow and stern, and ultimately capsizing. The permeability of the flooded compartment plays a significant role in determining the extent of the stability loss. A compartment with high permeability will allow more water to enter, leading to a more dramatic decrease in stability. The location and size of bilged compartment also affect the severity of the stability impact. Understanding bilging's effect. When a compartment floods, bilges, several factors impact stability, such as increased draft. The added water weight causes the ship to sink deeper, increasing its draft and reducing freeboard. Number 2 is shift in center of gravity, known as G. The center of gravity shifts upward, reducing the ship's stability. The location of the bilged compartment influences the lateral shift of G, potentially causing a list. Number 3 is reduced metacentric height, known as GM. GM is a crucial measure of initial stability decreases. A lower GM means the ship is less stable and slower to recover from a tilt. And number 4 is increased free surface effect. If the bilged compartment isn't completely full, the free moving water inside creates a free surface effect, further reducing GM and stability. This effect is more pronounced in larger, partially filled tanks. The role of permeability. Permeability, expressed as a percentage, represents the proportion of a compartment's volume that can fill with water. Higher permeability means more water can enter during a bilging event, leading to number 1, greater weight increase. More water entering increases the ship's displacement and draft, further reducing freeboard. Number 2 is more significant G shift. The higher the water volume, the greater the upward shift in the center of gravity, further destabilizing the vessel. Combined effects can cause a dangerous combination. The combined impact of bilging and high permeability is particularly dangerous. A highly permeable bilged compartment leads to a dramatic decrease in GM, significantly increasing the risk of capsizing. The severity of the impact depends on the size and location of the bilge compartment, the rate and the ship's overall design and condition, mitigation strategies, and preventing catastrophe. Number 1 is watertight compartmentalization. Dividing the hull into watertight compartments restricts flooding, preventing its spread and maintaining buoyancy. This is a fundamental principle of ship design. Number 2 is damage control. Effective damage control procedures are crucial. This includes rapidly assigning damage, sealing breaches, and using pumps to remove water. And number 3 is low permeability design. Ships are designed with low permeability to minimize the potential for widespread flooding. And number 4 is stability calculation. Regular stability calculations assess the ship's stability under various loading and damage conditions. These calculations are essential for safe operation and help determine the ship's residual stability after a flooding event. And number 5, the final is crew training. Proper training of the crew in damage control procedures is vital for effective response to flooding incidents. A well-trained crew can significantly improve the chances of survival and minimize damage. The effects of bilging and permeability on ship stability are complex and interconnected. Understanding these factors and implementing appropriate safety measures are critical for ensuring safe ship operation. Thank you for watching.